Sand the surface scratch-free. We recommend a final 100 grit for floors. When renovating, you must first remove all the residues from previous treatments completely. Vacuum the surface and then clean it with Rubio Monocoat cleaner to remove all the microdust that is still left. For a low consumption, wetten a microfiber pad with cleaner and put a cloth over it. Work in the lengthwise direction of the wood. When the cloth becomes too dirty, take a clean part of the cloth or just take a new one. Allow the surface to dry until the wood has its original color back. Take the Oil Plus 2C set and stir the A component well. When using multiple cans, mix them together for an even result. Pour the required amount of A component into a mixing container. Carefully add the B component at a ratio of 3 parts A to 1 part B. Stir well. Once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Work in zones of 5 to 10 square meters. These are zones that allow you to apply the oil and remove the excess within approximately 15 to 30 minutes. Start each zone by treating the sides and corners. Apply a few dots of Oil Plus 2C with a flat paintbrush and spread out manually with a red or beige scrubby pad. Let it absorb for a few minutes and wipe away all excess oil with a cloth. To continue, apply a small quantity of Oil Plus 2C with a brush and spread out plankwise and in a lengthwise direction of the wood using a polishing machine with a red or beige 16-inch pad. Again, let it absorb for a few minutes and remove all excess oil with the polishing machine and a white 16-inch pad. Switch pads regularly and as soon as they are saturated. After having finished all the zones in the room, pass again with a new white pad. Be careful not to step on the treated floor with your shoes. Pro tip, cut a white pad in 2 pieces and put it under your shoes. Now the surface should feel non-sticky. Cloths and other tools which are saturated with oil may spontaneously combust. After usage, they need to be soaked in water before disposal. Let the surface dry for 12 to 24 hours in a well-ventilated room. Wait at least 5 days to clean with water and universal soap for the first time. Maintenance. Keep the surface clean with our Rubio Monocoat Universal Soap. For stubborn stains, use one of our specific stain removers, lime spot, grease, or tannin remover. For a refresh of your floor, use our Universal Maintenance Oil. If you need to restore the color, reapply Oil Plus 2C in its original color. No need for sanding prior to the renovation.